This is connected to our second gift, which will be delivered by SGI.
Hi everyone, good evening. Now we will be proceeding to gift number 2, which is a gift that keeps memories. So together with gift number 1, this gift completes the dream. So if the first gift symbolizes the dreams, aspirations, and possibilities that inspire us to explore, then this gift, Angel Gel Luggage Set, matching po, hello, symbolizes the memories we create once those dreams become reality. So one carries our hopes forward and the other carries our stories home. So Easy and Ralph, may every trip you have, be it together or individually, fill these suitcases with new experiences and may every return remind us of the memories we're
Yeah, thank you so much. Magpapakalaman natin ang mga athletes. And of course, ang mga fandoms natin na talagang sumusuporta pa rin kila AZ Brown. So mabilisan na lang AZ Brown ang limang mensahe nyo sa Russell's natin tonight. Ayan, sige.
Magranap daw sa AC.
Grabe, thank you. Thank you so much for all of the efforts, guys. Hindi namin alam kung sasabihin ni Ralph yun. Sobrang nakakatulad yung mga ginagawa niyo. But, okay, first, the video. Maraming salamat. Si Ralph, ramdam ko na medyo bumibigal yung hininga niya kanina. And sobrang na-touch kami sa video na yun. Kaya maraming salamat sa effort, especially sa mga nag-edit, sa lahat ng mga clips na kumuha ng clips na yun. Thank you for being with us every step of the way, for being with us through yung mga ups and downs, whether we're happy or hindi, nandiyan pa rin kayo. Kaya maraming salamat and thank you for making all the effort to still be with us. I know sometimes it gets hard, sometimes it gets stressful. I know hindi, nahihirapan din kayo lumaban, nahihirapan din kayo. Mahirap naman talaga magmahal, pero maraming salamat na pinipili niyo pa rin magmahal. So, thank you guys for being with us. We love you guys so much.
Thank you, AZ. Now, Ralph. Ha, grabe. Yung video pa lang yun. Iba yung feeling na napapanood mo every step of the way kung saan kayo nanggaling. Ang masasabi ko lang talaga, una, syempre salamat. And kayo lahat dito, whether team bahay, team livestream, or kung sino man na nandito ngayon, kayo ang buhay at puso ng fandom na to. Kayo ang bumubuhay sa... Hindi ako makahanap ng tamang salita na makaka-describe kung gaano kayo importante sa amin dalawa at kung gaano talaga namin pinapahalagahan itong buong pamilya na to. So, grabe. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. As cliche as it sounds. So, wish ko lang talaga masaksak na kayo lahat dito sa paleta na to. Para every single moment of every single journey that we are going to have, we are going to carry you with us. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Kasya ba kayo sa maleta? Pagkakasya ito. And with that, thank you so much, AZ Ralph, President